Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everybody. Today is Sunday. Just got done eating lunch, and I'm going to. Well, I thought about what I could do this afternoon. Then I thought, man, my four-wheeler battery needs replaced, so I guess I'll just do that. So I'm gonna get everything set up for it, and I'm gonna go replace it. So. Well, here she is. Sorry, in my first video I said she's a 250cc. She's a 350cc. Put it on the little smaller side here. She won't start, so I gotta roll her out. She'll roll. And then I'm gonna have to push her around there. So catch you when we're gonna change the battery. So. Alright, so we got the battery here. Four-wheeler's over here. So it's my first time looking at this battery. Looks like we have some acid that we'll have to put in it right here. Instructions. Screws in. And here's the actual battery. So let's see what we can do with it. Okay, so I got the seal off the battery right here. I also took the seal off the acid, and if you can see, there's little covers for the acid bottles, and the covers, if you can see right there, it's kind of sharp, and when you push it down, it punctures the covers, and all the battery acid will go into here. And after that's done, I'll have to wait 20 minutes. Then I can install it in the four-wheeler. And if the battery is below 10.8 volts, then I'll have to charge it, but I don't think it should be. I think it should be good to go. So I guess I'll let you guys watch me put this in. So. There we go. Air bubbles coming out of all of them except this guy down here. And it says if the air bubbles aren't coming out, to tap it, and that it should come out, which it does come out if I tap it, but I wonder why it's not coming all the way. There we go. There we go. Now the bubbles are coming out. I think if I squeeze it a little, it'll come out. So. Well, I'll have to get these suckers out, so I guess I'll keep tapping them until they all come out. Alright, so I got all the acid in the battery, and if you can see right here, it says do not open. This right here was, I threw them away, but the bottles, they were all attached, and that came over the bottles, over the seals on the top of the bottles. So you took that off, and then you flipped it over, put it down, and there's about 6 holes here under this, and you pushed it down, and then the little seals would break, and it would put acid in here. And then this came on top of all the bottles. So like I said, you take it off, and then the seals would be there. So this right here kind of works as a dual purpose. It helps package the bottles when they get shipped and everything. You take it off, and then once all the acid's in, you put it on the circles and push it down, and it keeps all the acid from leaking out. So it is a little bit wet from the acid still, so I'll have to wait about 20 minutes, I think it said, after I put this in to put it in the actual four-wheeler. So I'm going to take the other battery out of the four-wheeler, and then I'll just keep everything clean, and then I'll put this in when it's ready. So alright, so I got the battery installed. So this thing is just kind of in the way. It doesn't work anymore. So I had to put these screws on. There is kind of like a washer thing under it. So it's on both. And this thing, it can go on that. If you can see that right there. And I think it's broke. So I'll have to give this thing a wash sometime. It's kind of dirty, but well, it's how you change a battery in a four-wheeler. Sorry, or a Honda Rancher ES 350cc. Sorry you didn't get much. Like, while I was putting it in here, I didn't really think about it. I did give you kind of a time lapse of just me doing it, but sorry about that. So thanks for watching this video, and tune in next time for my next video. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe. So we'll see you next time. So